2018, one of the best years of my life. Apart from the other years, this year saw me battling through various emotions and amounts of stress, all alone, away from my friends and family, because I was studying in Bangalore and I returned to my hometown just a couple of months back. Most of the days, I was demotivated and in utter state of confusion, which was why I couldn't make much content on YouTube. Some of my closest friends left me deserted this year, and that's when I understood the transitory nature of human relationships and the joy of spending time in solitude during the darkest of times, instead of clinging on to failed relationships. Certain experiences left me shattered to the point that I questioned the very point of existence. But all this while, I found my retreat in reading books and traveling alone, all by myself, observing the world around me. A recurring question kept me distracted all throughout the year. Whether true joy and experience can be found only by traveling, or can it be equal to that which one gets when spending quality time within the four walls of one's home? However, I was elated to know that the exact same question was long dealt with by one of the greatest poets of all times in English literature, John Milton, in his poems Allegro and Il Penseroso. But wait, some of my best memories also took place in this year. I finally had the courage to speak up about women's issues and the period taboo in India through a video and a blog post that I made on behalf of Women's Day. That video is one of my favorite videos that I ever created on this channel till date, and I alone must have watched it over 100 times before uploading it to YouTube. The link to both will be in the description box below, just in case you're interested to watch and read. During my long hours of travel between Bangalore and my hometown, and also during the times when I traveled in metro trains, I read some of the classics of English literature, which are some of my favorite books that I have ever read. Some of the noted ones are God of Small Things, Wuthering Heights, and Gone Girl. I got the chance to go to Hyderabad to attend an art workshop conducted by Fevicryl and meet my best friend after many years. I also had the opportunity to visit few other places and make new friends. This was also the year where I got my first job ever as an art director in a media company, but due to certain reasons I had to quit it. However, that job taught me a great deal about different aspects of life and work. This is the year when my grandfather, who was a great knowledgeable man, passed away, and I wanted to make this video in memory of him. If there is one word with which I could describe 2018, then it'll be grateful. I'm truly grateful for having wonderful parents and friends who supported me at all times when I needed them the most. I now know the value of my home and homemade food much better. But above all, I see a drastic change in me, and I know that I'm a much better person than I was before. I want to start the new year afresh with new hopes and aspirations, leaving the bitter moments behind. Here's to your new year, 2019.